Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make these really cute face masks. Okay, so for materials you're going to need some sort of fabric. I just found mine from a old pajama shirt at Goodwill. And then you'll need thread, pins, elastic, scissors, a pencil, and a pattern. I'll list the link for the pattern below so that you guys can use the same one. So first you're going to want to lay down your pattern on your fabric and then trace it with a pencil. So you're going to need to trace 2 of these and make sure that you flip the pattern over for the second one so that it's like reversed. And make sure to trace your pattern on the side of the fabric that you don't want to show. So in this case, I want the shiny side on the other side.
This life is amazing, but something is missing. And don't call me crazy, but I feel like living way up in the stars. If I believe hard, I can make it.
Next, you're gonna take your scissors or fabric knife and you're just gonna cut out the patterns that you just traced.
I'm putting my mind in the sky, letting the whole world in. My personality.
Once you've cut out your pieces, now you're gonna pair them up with each other so that the shiny sides are touching, or the outer sides are touching, and you're gonna pin them together. You're just pinning them together so that they don't move around, so it doesn't really matter where you pin them.
We're just waiting for the summer. You wouldn't know what you're missing, left with no one's permission. Writing rhymes in your kitchen while you're changing your clothes. I'm turning smiles to frowns, now nobody's around. So here's a song with some more shit.
Now that you have all your pieces, you're gonna sew them together. First, you're gonna sew the front longer part, and when you do this, you wanna make sure to leave at least 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch of fabric from the edge. After you finish sewing that first part, you're gonna wanna cut off any excess fabric that's hanging off the edge. You're also gonna wanna invert the mask. Before you pin this next part, you're gonna wanna cut slits into the part where it starts to curve so that it's easier to sew. Next, you're gonna wanna pin down all the edges that you're about to sew. Make sure to leave about 1/2 an inch.
How could you know joy is what you're missing? What you're missing? What you're missing?
I just spent all my money on some shit I didn't.
Next, you're just gonna sew around all of those edges.
Yeah, I'm walking through the city, but it's feeling like a ghost town. Yeah, I'm dreaming that you're with me, but you're gone, I'm so alone now. Hating the situation, I'm too tired of facing the feeling I'm crazy.
Now that you have all of those edges sewn, you're gonna go ahead and fold in the sides where the elastic's gonna go, and then you're gonna stick the elastic in there and then sew that together. I personally fold my edges in at an angle, but that's because that's how it fits my face, so you're gonna want to do it however it fits you. How I usually do it is I sew each end of the elastic in first, and then at the end I sew it all down the middle.
Coping with this juxtaposed life, we keep on living, we're just waiting for the summer. You wouldn't know what you're missing, left with no one's permission. Writing rhymes in your kitchen while you're changing your clothes. I'm turning smiles to frowns.
After you've sewn that second side of elastic, then you're all done. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is my first video, so I hope you liked it. Be sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll have some more stuff out soon.